Ask yourself, do I speak kindly to my wife? How many times a day do you talk lovingly to your wife knowing that love is needed? She gets less of your love. I love my wife. I know for a fact that no matter what you think, she's not feeling it. Say softly to feel her, say, I love you. What our women get the least, and what they aspire to the most, is love. It doesn't matter if you have been married for over 50 years, every wife wants to be loved. The more she is loved, the more she encourages, strengthens, and appreciates her master and spreads the joy of love she receives to the whole family. Love is the wife's food. Every wife expects love from her husband at all times. If you value the service she renders to your family, how will you appreciate the great service she renders, including the love, protection, and educational development that your children receive from her? She does your homework, take care of whole family. Wife is your best friend. As husbands, we must love her. We must talk kindly. Tell her I love you. I have no one in the world like you. She is soft, smooth, she expects security and love from you, husband. If it is 40 or 50 years after the marriage, she is still your wife forever. She has only you. She likes to hear you saying, I love you, when she comforts you to relax in the evening. If you go and say, I love you, looking into her eyes while she is washing your cloths, the happiness feels for a woman is very high. Husbands are not enough to care about this delicate, beautiful happiness. If we knew very well that she needed our love and protection, we would not speak so harshly. Don't scare her, I won't scare my wife. It is my responsibility to make her happy and to comfort her. It is an eternal subjective, honorable decision. Men are very rough and tough and strong. The woman is very gentle and soft. Even the voice is very gentle. She is created with weak physical strength. She was created to be loved. You say I love you and see for 1 week. Even a wife who lives a bad life addicted to a bad habit can often be reunited through love. A husband who speaks harshly to his wife should try to speak kindly and lovingly to her for a week and see the difference. Appreciate her work and talk about her value. See for yourself how happy she is. People in Japan appreciate even the smallest thing. Japan has an amazingly beautiful culture. If the housewife makes a curry, the master of the house raises his head and smiles at the taste of the curry, and says thank you. Show her how to move your family forward beautifully because of her hands. She loves it. Appreciate her service and relieve her fatigue. You are sure to win. The whole house smells. The house will fill full of happiness. The house will be beautiful. Watch this video and share it to others. Almost everyone in society is suffering from a thirst for love. See how lost energy is born when love is expressed in words and smiles. Love is so lacking. Praise is very low. Appreciation is zero. Thanks are totally limited.